How to sell on Fine Art America. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can sell on Fine Art America. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Fine Art America, you could also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Fine Art America, it is recognized as the world's largest online art marketplace and print-on-demand platform, in which it serves as a diverse community of artists, photographers, graphic designers, and illustrators by providing them with tools to sell their artwork as prints, home decor items, apparel, and many more. And the platform allows artists to create personalized web stores, upload their images, choose products for sale, set prices, and reach millions of potential buyers globally. And in addition to its marketplace capabilities, Fine Art America offers various sales and marketing tools designed to enhance artists' visibility and streamline their business processes. And from here, it will show a variety of kind of art that you can choose with your wall art, home decor, lifestyle, tech, stationery, apparel, collections, subjects, artists, and many more. So you can start navigating some of those options in order to view and browse some other creative work by other artists. But now to start selling on this platform, you could simply click the sell button on the top right corner, and by clicking this one, you will automatically be directed on this page, in which it will show you in here that you can join Fine Art America and start selling your art today. And below you have here the choices, either artists or photographers or galleries. And by clicking this first button, it will show you that you are a visual artist or photographer who is interested in creating an online portfolio, selling print-on-demand products, and original works of art, networking with other members, and many more. Well, by choosing galleries, you are an owner or employee of an art gallery, and I'm interested in creating an online portfolio, selling print-on-demand products and original works of art. But before choosing between the two, below here it will show you some other kind of artwork with your canvas prints, prints, wood prints, tote bag, and many more. And now to start selling, I'm going to choose in those options this artist or photographer's button. Upon clicking this one, we will automatically be directed on this page right here. So all we need to do from here is to simply join by filling out all of the required information, including your first name, last name, your city, your state, your postal code, your country, which is USA, and to enter your email address in here, confirm your email address, and also to enter here your mobile phone number. And after that, they will send a passcode via text message to your mobile phone number, in which all you need to do is simply enter here the 6-digit code to verify that you are a real person. And after that, you can now start uploading a profile picture and write a bio to introduce yourself to potential buyers, and add links of your social media accounts and website to drive traffic to your Fine Art America store. And you can start uploading a product, and you could also use some other guide in here, including this wall art, for example this canvas, art prints in here, in which it will show you some other design that has been created by other artists. And let's say I'm going to click this one right here to see what it looks like upon uploading a photo or an artwork in here. Let's say this one. By clicking this one, it will show us in here the title of this artwork and the one who made this or the artist. And as you can see, it is a 3D painting or 3D artwork. And from here, it will show you the corresponding prices, which is $55. And also, you could also choose which kind of artwork we have here: canvas print, frame print, art print, metal print, acrylic, and even wood print. So basically, after uploading an art, you can simply choose the appropriate category for each piece, such as painting, photograph, digital art, and many more, and provide all of these details, including these product details, title, description, keywords. And to help buyers discover your art, you could also add here a tag. And then again, just choose the products you want to offer, such as canvas prints, frame prints, home decor, apparel, and many more. And as you can see under this image on the left side panel, it will show you what it looks like, or the mock-up picture of it upon designing in different places in home, kitchen, and many more. Then you could also view the 3D of it, so all you need to do is from here is to wait for it to load. Then you can now start swiping it to look for the overview of this whole artwork. So basically, if you're going to create a 3D artwork in here, you are also required to create a design like this one, or this mock-up 3D overview. And from here, upon uploading your products, prices to determine your desired profit margin for each product and set your prices accordingly. And Fine Art America provides a base prices and you can add your markup to calculate your final selling price. So from here, you can also compare some of your artwork and decide whether or not all of this kind of prices is actually justifiable or acceptable, in which all of this artwork you can use as your guide in uploading your own artwork on this platform. And as you can see in here, they have similar kind of mock-up picture to see what the artwork looks like when it has been decorated in different places in your home. And if you also want to change the sizes, you can do so by navigating this print size and start choosing the sizes that you prefer. However, as you can see in here, the bigger the sizes, the higher the prices it offer. So the prices of this size is actually $650 US, and before it is only a $114 US. And now if you go back to this mock-up picture, you'll be able to see that the sizes of the image is now been changed. So as you can see from here, it will show you a variety of details that you could also use as your guide and to input upon uploading your own artwork on this Fine Art America platform. We also have a different kind of collection that you can choose from. And in creating your own artwork, you could also use some other platform. For example, we're going to make a digital artwork using Canva, in which you could simply go to the search bar and search, for example, poster template. Then you will be able to see all of the result of the template that you can choose from. And all you need to do is simply choose which kind of poster you want to customize. Let's say this one. And this pop-up window, it will show you that you can simply click customize this template, or you could also choose different kind below here. For instance, I'm going to choose in all of this option, this one, black and white vintage newspaper criminal wanted poster. And upon clicking this customize this template button, we'll automatically be directed on this page where we can start customizing this template, including the text of it, the sizes, the images, and many more. So let's say at this point, I'm going to delete this picture and I'm going to replace the image with some other elements that we can find on the left side panel under this graphics. For example, on the search bar under elements, I'm going to search for Picasso. And after that, I'm going to go to the graphics section and choose the picture of Picasso. And let's say I'm going to delete this image right here to replace for Picasso. Then I'm going to select this image right here. And upon dragging it to our Canva, we can simply delete the background of this gallery. And after customizing this one, you will now be able to see the result. So you can simply share this or click the share button on the top right corner to download this image or artwork. Then you can start simply uploading it to this Fine Art America platform. And aside from selling as an artist or photographers, you could also start selling on this platform as a galleries by clicking the sell button again on the top right corner. And at this point, I'm going to select this galleries option, since for example, we are the owner or employee of the galleries. And just do the same process of filling out all of this required information, including your first name, last name, company name, your city, your email address, phone number. And upon joining here as a seller, you can now start uploading your own artwork you want to sell on this platform, such as this one that we just created earlier. So basically, the platform is designed to facilitate easy navigation for buyers, helping them to discover and purchase art that resonates with them. So overall, that is just basically how you can sell on Fine Art America. Thank you.